What if I let you know that you can still move to Canada in 2025 with this amazing opportunity I will be sharing with you today? What if I let you know that your Canadian dreams are still very much valid? Dear besties, welcome to another interesting opportunity with Ada Kings that will enable you to migrate to Canada in 2025. There is an organization that is sponsoring individuals to move to Canada besties. These organizations, this opportunity will provide you with travel expenses, your flight tickets to Canada. If you don't have an international passport, no problem. They are happy to pay for your international passport, guys. They are happy to pay for all your application fees to land in Canada, your visa application process. These organizations are going to do it. This organization will provide you with free accommodation, free food, health insurance. Guys, the opportunities are limitless. And yes, in today's video, if you are interested to move to Canada and all hope is being lost, you are not financially stable, you need assistance, you need people that will support you, your relocation dream. And the good news is that you are not paying anything in return. You are not paying any dime through the process of this application. You are not giving anybody your penny, guys. And the most interesting thing is that the application is opening today, the 14th of October 2025. So if you are listening to this opportunity, congratulations, because there is a reason why you came across this very video. Yes, you can see I'm all happy because good news makes me happy, and I'm a bearer of good news, and this is the Positivity Gang, and I'm here to share this opportunity with you guys. So if you are interested to move to Canada and you are interested for this organization to assist you with all these opportunities, then come closer, continue watching. Do not skip any part of this video so you don't miss the information loaded in this opportunity. I promise it will be short and quick. Welcome back, besties. By the way, my name is Adeze. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am Ada Kings on the streets of YouTube. On this channel, I make content that will enable you to relocate abroad without breaking the bank. And if this is you, congratulations and welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button and join the Positivity family. You will not regret it. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you, besties, for your support. I don't take them for granted. Guys, you might also want to like this video and hit the share button. Remember, we rise when we lift others. Let others see this opportunity so that they can be able to partake in this good news. Let's proceed. So besties, in my previous videos, I have been able to tell you guys the importance of moving to Canada and different pathways to move to Canada. In today's video, an organization is looking for people to come to Canada through the study route. We all know that the study route is one of the fastest routes to move to Canada. And this university is granting 100% scholarship to individuals that wants to come and study health-related courses in Canada. Remember, healthcare is booming in every country in the world, not just Canada, right? So this university is calling for Africans. To this organization, they just want to support Africans, especially sub-Saharan Africans that are in poverty, to eradicate poverty in Africa. So that is the sole aim of this opportunity. So they are granting 100% scholarship to individuals that meet the requirements. And in this video, I'll be listing the eligibility requirement for you and the healthcare programs that are eligible. Guys, it is 100% full sponsored, from flight ticket to accommodation to feeding to stipends for your groceries. Everything is included in this scholarship. All you need is to do application. Now, I want you to listen attentively to this opportunity. Do you know why? The reason you should listen is, number one, this opportunity is opening today, the 14th of October 2025, and the application will close on the 3rd of November 2025. So guys, listen attentively and put in your application. That's not all. Today, the 14th of October 2025, there is a section. They are organizing an online section where you come and meet with them and ask them different questions to support your application. Guys, I will be dropping the link also in the description box. All right, don't miss that opportunity today. You need to join the section, meet with the organizers of this program, ask them questions that will enable you to excel in this application, things you should do differently to scale up in this application. Anyways, without not wasting your time, we are talking about the University of Toronto MasterCard Foundation Scholarship. Guys, yes, I am going to my screen right now so that I will be able to show you all this is all about and how they plan to assist you. So let's go to my screen right away. Come with me. Hey guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the University of Toronto Center for International Experience. So guys, this is the MasterCard Foundation Scholars Program, and this is the description. The MasterCard Foundation Program at University of Toronto is a fully funded scholarship program for graduate studies at Canada's leading institution of learning, discovery, and knowledge creation. University of Toronto is proud to be one of the world's top research-intensive universities driven to invent and innovate. This is what the program is all about, and if you come down, you will see the testimony of Jessica Kuma from Ghana that was able to participate in this opportunity. So let's see the eligibility criteria and what this opportunity is all about. All right, so guys, the scholarship, here are the benefits. This is what they will be giving to you if you are participating in this opportunity. All right, so they are provided with financial assistance for the duration of their graduate studies. This includes travel expenses to Canada, including obtaining a passport and visa application fees, tuition fee, housing, food and grocery stipend, health insurance, learning materials, and other expenses. All right, so how do you apply? This application is opening on the 14th of October 2025 following the information sections, and the application will close on the 3rd of November 2025, 12 noon Toronto time. All right, so the application link is available today, which I will show you guys. Now look at the areas of study besties. So these are the areas they are taking individuals. So if you are interested to study Master of Engineering Biomedical, you apply. All right, if you are interested in Master of Financial Insurance, you apply. Masters of Health Administration, you apply. Master of Health Informatics, you apply. Health Promotion and Occupational and Environmental Health. Guys, so if you are interested in these master's degree programs, then you are eligible to apply. Now, this is the announcement section. On this section, I just opened it, guys. This is where we will be taking the link for application. Meanwhile, let me show you where to attend the program that is hosting today, the 14th of October. So guys, once you are seeing this video, I will encourage you to rush now and click and register for the program that is taking place today, Tuesday, August 14, 2025. The first section will be 9 a.m. EST time, and the second one is 12 noon EST time. Anyways, I don't know when you will be seeing this video, but yes, if you are seeing this video, let me guys on my screen. I don't know the time you'll be seeing this video, but if for any reason you are seeing this video when the sections are over, please direct any question to this email. All right, mcf.cie@utoronto.ca. So ask your questions to this email should in case you meet this timing for the information section. All right, so guys, here is the application procedure. Step 1, you must consult the admission requirements for their choosing program of study. All right, so the first step is, if you choose the course you want to study, if you click on the link, it will take you to the program you want to study. So the first thing is to reach out to the program. The link above will guide you in exploring these different programs. If you meet the academic requirements of your program of interest, please follow through the second step. So when you reach out to the program, the particular program you want to apply to via the link, They will tell you all the requirements they need for that program, and if you meet it, then you move to the next stage. All right. So what do you have to do in the next stage? The next stage is sign up to attend a scholarship information section and complete the MasterCard Foundation Scholarship application. Deadline for submission of the completed application and receipt of all required attachment is Monday, the November 3rd, 2025 at 12 noon. If your application for the MasterCard Scholarship meets all criteria and is approved by the Scholarship Admission Committee, you will receive an email to move forward to step 3. These notifications to successful applicants will be made in early December. So you're starting school in 2026. Now, step 3. What is the next step? The next step is begin your graduate application to the Department of Program of Interest from the University of Toronto website. The School of Graduate Studies is the central location for graduate applications at the university. Each department and program area will inform you as to the specific requirements of their departments and all blah blah blah. So guys, how do you apply? Let us see how you are going to apply for this opportunity. Number 1 is, let's say I am interested in Master of Health Informatics. All right. So come here and click on the link that will lead you to the program that you are interested in. So if you look at my screen now, I clicked on Master of Health Informatics, Advancing Leadership and Health Informatics Research in Digital and AI Technologies to drive organizational and system change within the healthcare sector. You can see that the Apply Now button is now open, right? Because the application is opening today, the 14th of October 2025. So guys, look at it. You read about the program, learn everything about the program, career opportunities, where you can work. Everything is here. Graduates working in the domain of health through clinical discipline, guys, Master of Health Informatics. Read all this information for your own good. When you are done and you are ready to get started, you just come here and click on Apply Now. When you click on Apply Now, guys, it will take you to the admission requirements, getting ready, and everything you need to apply. Guys, at the end of the day, your information is here. After you apply, check your status and everything. At the end of the day, you submit your application, and that is it. Guys, just like I have explained in this video, for you to apply, go to the individual course you are interested in and start your application from there. All the instructions, the documents you will provide, everything is on the screen for you to use. One update is successfully shared. Guys, scholarships is one of the easiest and cheapest way to relocate abroad in 2025 and above. So anyone you are eligible for, do not be scared to apply. One thing is that a lot of you are eligible, and the good news is that, there is no harm in trial, right? So for you to be successful in this application, I will strongly encourage you to write a good motivation letter. Your motivation letter convincing this organization why they should take you instead of other kings. The main reason why you want to acquire these opportunities will set you out of the crowd and will make you be successful at the end of the day. So please relax and do this application. You have a lot of time to apply and succeed and submit. So besties, if you will be trying this opportunity, let me know in the comment section, and I will be happy to bring opportunities like this your ways so that you get started. I wish you guys the very best of luck. And yes, our Kuwait visa is very much open and it is running. We are delivering, guys, like Hebrew women. So if you or anybody you know wants to start life from Kuwait, please reach out to me from the email on the screen or the phone number on the screen, and we will get you started for our Kuwait delivery driver job. Guys, it's still very much available. Besties, I wish you the very best of luck as you embark on this, and I will see you guys in our next video. For now, bye. Bye-bye.